Hello, my dear students. Good morning. I hope you are all safe and healthy in your home. Many people are eagerly waiting for the classes because you felt bored in last 1 month due to pandemic and lockdown. But even though there is a pandemic, I think we are getting lots of time. I request all of you please utilize this time for studies. Many students don't know what to study, how to study, and all these things. From today onwards, you need not worry because we are going to start online classes for all the students. Before going to discuss the chapters and all, in this class, I am going to discuss second semester CBSE syllabus prescribed by our Karnataka University, Dharwad. My dear students, in this semester, mainly in the syllabus they keep two divisions. One is organic and physical chemistry. There is no inorganic chemistry in this semester. So now let us see one by one. The first chapter is kinetic theory of gases. As I told, dear students, in second semester CBCS syllabus, there are two divisions. One is physical chemistry and organic chemistry. In physical chemistry, there are four chapters. In organic chemistry, there are three chapters are there. So totally it's a 60-hour class. And the first chapter is kinetic theory. Before going to that, there are seven chapter in second semester. So in those seven chapter, more than 50% of the content you already studied when you are in plus two and plus one. You cross check this. So throughout this video, you can observe the content which is in the blue line. This is the new to you people, and the content which is in the black letters. So these are the concepts which you already studied in your plus one and plus two courses. Okay, when we come to kinetic theory of gases, this is the first chapter in physical chemistry. Here mainly it contains postulates of kinetic theory of gases, derivations, and derivations of real gases, ideal behavior, compressibility factor, cause of deviation from real ideal behavior to real gases, Boyle's temperature, critical phenomena, critical constant, and their calculation from Van der Waals equation. Dear students, before going to come to the classes, you go through all the concepts which is there in PU textbook. And these are the concepts from Andrews isotherm of CO2, Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution law, molecular velocity, molecular energies, and their importance, temperature dependence of distribution, most probable velocity, root mean square velocity, and their comparison, and collision cross section, collision number, collision frequency, collision diameter, mean free path, viscosity of gases, viscosity of gases. So these are the concept which you are going to study in the second semester. The next chapter is liquids. So in this chapter mainly we are going to discuss three important phenomena. One is all the concepts are new in this chapter. One is surface tension and Paraker, viscosity of liquids, and refractive index. I think you studied little bit refractive index in the physics, but you are not aware of Abe's experiment of determination of refractive index. So in second semester we are going to discuss that, and along with that surface tension and viscosity. So these are the two important phenomena of liquids. It's very interesting. So along with some phenomena you are going to discuss with some experimental part in this chapters. The next chapter is solids. I think you studied solids in plus 2. In plus 2, the first chapter is solids. In solids, more than 40% of the contents you already studied. The new contents are laws of crystallography, law of constancy of interfacial angle, law of rational indices, Miller indices, X-ray diffractions by X-ray diffraction studies, Bragg's law, and its determination of structure of NaCl by X-ray diffraction method, and defects in crystal. You've already studied. Why I'm going to tell all these things? Because so before going to start this chapter, you must come up with some basics. You should not attend the class with empty brain. Okay, I'm always telling this concept to you people. Basics are necessary. Basics are important to understand the concept. Otherwise, yeah, in second semester we are not going to discuss much basics. That's why you come with some basics, and you have the sources you already studied in plus 2. That's why you go through that, and so to do some preparation before come to the classes. And the next chapter is chemical kinetics, and you are not new to this concept. So in chemical kinetics, so more than 70% of the concept you already studied in your second PUC. Only a few new concepts are there. That is, so determination of, that is second order reaction. So in second PUC you studied up to meaning of rate of a reaction, effect of temperature, pressure, and catalyst, and order and molecular rate of the reaction you studied, and derivation of integrated rate equation for zero at first order. But in the second semester, the extra concepts are, they included second order reactions, then half life period, and so there we discuss half life period. Here we also going to discuss so determination of half life by various methods, and determination of order of a reaction by a differential equation method and half life period method. Only these two are the new concepts which are included in chemical kinetics. Otherwise, all the remaining rest of them are you studied in plus 2. That's why you please keep the notes, your plus 2 notes. But here also we are going to discuss in detail. We discuss from the reaction rate to, and theory of reaction rate, no doubt about it. But why I'm telling to you is, I am trying to boost your confidence that you are not going to study the entire new concepts. Just it's a continuation of your plus 2, and many of the concepts which are already there in plus 2. That's why that's what I'm going to talking about it. So this is chemical kinetics. Next, aromatic hydrocarbons. So in aromatic hydrocarbons, mainly we are going to discuss preparation of benzene from phenol, and by decarboxylation from acetylene from benzene sulfonic acid. And we are also going to discuss reactions, so electrophilic substitution reaction, nitration, halogenation, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts reaction like alkylation, acylation, and side chain oxidation of alkyl benzene. So only these two are preparation and side chain oxidation. These are the two new concepts which are included here. And dear students, when we come to organic chemistry, the biggest problem is nomenclature. So I think after many days you are going to open the books, and organic chemistry is quite difficult for the students because it needs a lot of basics. That's why you please go through the nomenclature and some of the basics reactions before attending. The nomenclature is very important to understand all these concepts. You must able to write the name and structure into name. You must know the common name also. So you please go through that before going to attending organic chemistry classes. And the next chapter is alkyl and aryl halides. So in this chapter, mainly we are going to discuss types of nucleophilic substitution reaction, SN1, SN2 reaction, preparation of these alkyl halides from alkene, alcohol, and the chemical properties of these alkyl halide like hydrolysis, uh, and nitrite and nitro formation, nitrile and isonitrile formation reaction, Williamson ether synthesis, elimination versus substitution reactions, and aryl halides. So preparation of aryl halides, and some of the named reactions like Sandmeyer reaction, Getterman reactions, and aromatic nucleophilic substitution reactions. So up to here you have studied, you know the concept. And from here onwards, Benzyne mechanism and reactivity factor affecting on reactivity and strength of alkyl halide. These are really interesting concepts which we are going to study in this chapter. So again, once again, please go through the basics before attending the classes. And the next chapter, seventh chapter, is a big chapter, alcohols, phenols, and ether. And so in this chapter includes alcohols. So preparation of alcohol, preparation of primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohol using Grignard reagent, ester hydrolysis, reduction of aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acid, and ester, and reactions of these alcohols with sodium, Lucas test you have already studied, esterification, oxidation with oxidizing agent like PCC, alkaline KMNO4, and potassium dichromate, and concentrated nitric acid, and open air oxidation of diols, and pinacol pinacoline rearrangement. So these are the concepts which you are going to study in alcohol. Next, phenols. So preparation of phenols from cumene, hydroperoxide method, and by using diazonium salt, and chemical properties of phenols. That is, we are going to discuss electrophilic substitution reaction, nitration, sulfonation, Reimer-Taimer reaction, Getterman-Koch reaction, and Hauben-Hausen condensation, Schotten-Bowman reaction. So these are the new concepts. So the concepts which are in the blue letters, these are the new concepts. And next, ethers. So cleavage of ethers with hydrogen iodide, and aldehydes, ketones, and ethers. So mainly we are focusing on both aliphatic and aromatic aldehyde in this chapter. So preparation from acid chloride, and the chemical properties like reaction with HCN, that is a nucleophilic addition reaction. This is so alcohol, sodium sulfite, and amine derivative, iodoform test, aldol condensation, Kelly-Jarros reaction, Witting reaction, and benzoin condensation. So the new concepts start from here. Benzoin condensation, Clemenson reduction, and Wolff-Kishner reduction, Meerwein-Fondorf reduction. So my dear students, so this is the syllabus of second semester CBCS. So my request to all of you is, whenever attending my classes, I am not going to do online classes. I am going to upload a pre-recorded video for you people, because in many places in remote areas, due to network issues, some students not able to attend the classes. That's why I'm going to pre-record it and upload it on that time. I think you have got the timetable. So for example, today 9 to 9:30 there is my class. So exactly at 9 o'clock I'm going to send the link. You just open the link and you attend the classes. While attending the classes, you please keep pen and paper and note down the points. So note down the syllabus, and after watching the videos, you please type your name in the comment box. I consider it as attendance, because every class I am going to take attendance. So the name which is there in the YouTube comment box, I consider it at attendance. That's why don't forget to type your name in the comment box. And after the end of this chapter, I am going to take one online class. In that online classes, I am going to clear the doubts. If you have any doubt in that chapter, I am going to clear the doubt. And at the end of chapter, I am going to provide study material to you people. And after that, I am going to conduct one online test. So this is the structure of the chemistry classes. And one more thing is, for our second semester students, I am going to handle all the 7 chapter. No other teacher is going to share the syllabus. I am going to engage complete second semester CBSE syllabus to you people. So in time, please attend the class. Don't ignore. Postpone all your work from today onwards. Concentrate on the classes. Study well. All the best.